Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by HJ Sir. Here we will discuss 12th Physics, chapter number 2, Unit and Measurement. Last time we explained fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantity. This is our third type of physical quantity, supplementary quantities. So in this type we are going to explain types of supplementary quantities. So remember this point, there are two types of supplementary quantities. First type, plane angle. Plane angle is denoted by theta. Remember its equation, plane angle theta is equals to arc upon radius. Now unit of plane angle is radian, but generally we use its symbol, and symbol of radian is RAD. Now remember definition of plane angle. See this equation very carefully. Plane angle theta is equals to arc upon radius. So it is nothing but it is ratio of arc to radius. So this is our exact form of definition. The ratio of length of an arc means here we have arc to the radius of circle. So divided by radius means to the radius of circle is known as plane angle. It is denoted by theta. Okay, remember its unit is radian, and generally we use its symbol RAD, radian. Second type, solid angle. Solid angle is denoted by omega. Remember this point, equation of solid angle is surface area divided by square of radius. Remember one more point, plane angle is two-dimensional concept while solid angle is three-dimensional concept. Now unit of solid angle is steradian and its symbol is SR. Now here we have equation of solid angle, surface area divided by square of radius. So we can find its definition. So the ratio of intercepted area of spherical surface to square of radius is nothing but it is called solid angle. Intercepted area to the spherical surface means surface area divided by square of radius. Okay, this is known as solid angle. It is denoted by omega. Now here we are going to explain another important question for VSQ. Explain table of submultiples and multiples. So generally we use submultiples and multiples in example as well as in special unit. So first of all we explain table of submultiple. So here we draw three column. First column represent the value of power 10 to the power. Second column represent prefix, clear, and third column represent its symbol. Okay, the first value of power is 10 raised to minus 1. It is called deci. Its symbol is D. Second power is 10 raised to minus 2. It is called centi. Symbol is C, small c. In centimeter we use symbol C for 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. Next 10 raised to minus 3. It is milli. Symbol M. Next 10 raised to minus 6. Micro. Symbol mu. This is simple symbol mu, micro. 10 raised to minus 9, nano, symbol N. This is familiar submultiples for all of us. 10 raised to minus 12, pico, symbol P. 10 raised to minus 15, femto, symbol F. Generally nuclear distances are measured in this prefix, okay, in this submultiple. 10 raised to minus 18, atto, symbol small a. So this is the table of submultiple in which the value of power is negative. These are their prefix, these are their symbols. Okay, This is important question for VSQ. So prepare this table very well. Now here we are going to explain table of multiples. Next table, table of multiples. Here we have similar three column, okay, power, prefix and symbol. But if in table of multiples we use positive power, means the power of 10 is positive. Here we have first value 10 raised to 1, 10 to the power 1. It is known as deca, symbol DA. Suppose we have 10 to the power 2, second value, it is called hecto, symbol H. Third value 10 raised to 3, kilo, symbol K. In kilometer we use K as kilo, means 10 raised to 3 meter. 10 raised to 6, mega, this is denoted by M, symbol of mega is M. 10 raised to 9, giga, symbol G, capital G. 10 to the power 12, tera, symbol T. This symbol and this prefix are used for computer memory, terabyte. Terabyte means 10 to the power 12 byte. Next, 10 to the power 15, peta, symbol capital P. And last, 10 to the power 18, exa, symbol capital E. So here we have table of multiples. In table of multiples we use 10 to the positive power, and table of submultiples we use 10 to the negative power. Both tables are important for VSQ. So in question of VSQ, here this table as well as in examples, these both tables are very important. Thanks.